Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show layout bounds on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on developer options. In here, swipe up to go down, go to the drawing section, and then tap on show layout bounds. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, and this will show clip bounds, margins, etc. You can see here in my text label, it will show the boundaries around the text, and in this frame here, or in each of the sections, it shows the text are breaking up into different sections with the boundaries for the labels for the text label. And after that, you can also switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.